All right, good evening and welcome to the end of day review for today. And today is February 19, 2025, and it's a Wednesday, it's midweek. But actually, this week we have kind of not full five trading day, we have like a four and a half because on Monday is a President Day here in the US, so we only have half trading day right there from 9:30 to 12. That's it, and that's the reason why yesterday, it's very hard to trade yesterday because it's very high resistant liquidity run right there. We will show you when we go into the details, but it's very high resistant liquidity. And today is Wednesday, right here. They have a FOMC minute release, and we see a little bit impact right there. Other than that, we may have some impact on the PMI, which is related to inflation number. So this week we have nothing really significant. We don't have any really high impact news. But maybe, by the way, we are on week 8 of the first quarter of 2025. So basically 1 year we have 52 weeks and divided by 4 quarters. So you have 52 divided by 4, so it is 13 weeks for each quarter right there. Okay, so we are right here in this week right there. So it gives us right here. So tomorrow will be a Thursday, the 20, and then Friday we'll close the week. So this week, like we say earlier, there's not much high impact news. But next week we may have the 27 and 28, which is the GDP data really on the 27, and then the PCE, which is a subset of inflation data, but it's called personal consumption expenditure price index right there. It really is on a 28. So which is Thursday and Friday, next Thursday and Friday, and also we have at the end of the month option. So we maybe expect some volatilities, which is good, right? We want the volatility so we can catch the big move right there. All right, that's it for the economic news. Let's look at the charts today when it's so before it's open, look at the daily charts. So this daily chart, we take screenshot of around 6:43 right there. That's timestamp, Eastern timestamp right there. So we look right there, we see that expansion right here, and we see some kind of retracement right here, and we wonder if they're gonna be tend to reversal. But you look like actually when we look at that, we thought that it's gonna be bearish, right? We see that level test from below break and then reverse, and we thought it's gonna be a sell off there, so anticipate short term, but it turned out not the case. So very interesting, and here's the one that at the end of the day. So basically, at the end of the day, you see that is right there. It's make another move of. Then the next day, which is tomorrow, maybe a short right there. You see the level right here, test break, test below break, and reverse. Maybe reverse on Thursday. So let's see. Let's see. So that's our idea before we go into the charts. So that's right here how it's play out. So it opened right here, and it really went down on London, and then it continued to go down. And this here you can see that it's two curve, two leg down right there, and this reverse back right here very hard at 10:45. Um, at 10:30 it's a kind of explosive, and then it put back right here. It take all the people to go along. You see that it tests the low of this candle right there, and then boom, it huge explosive move. We did took a couple of trade, I think 4 trade for today. We will show the recording, but you see how is the move related to the candle range at 18 right there. You see that it break down that level, and then boom, it reverse, and then it retest level again. Boom, it make a second leg up right there. So right here is kind of hard to decode right here. We did go long right here, and we didn't take out the profit quick, so we end up losing right there. We should take profit right there, because right here we thought, all right, so right here we see level red. This is the reversal type 2 right here. So test from above, break and reverse. So we thought that right here absolutely gonna explosive, but it do one more jab right here, one more pull back before explosives, and we get caught up right here. We will show the trade right there, but the idea right here is, you see that is so beautiful right here. Basically type 2 reversal right there, test from above, break and reverse. That's type 2 reversal. Yeah, it's a good idea that we revisit our setup so we can see. So basically we see this is type 2 reversal around 10:30 or 10:45 right there. So test from above, break and reverse. That is a type 2. But here today we have a little bit challenge right here. It did retest the level one more time. You see that? If we watch in the real time, let's see how it's in the real time is play out. So right there, so we watch in the real time right there. You see at that moment right there, we thought that we got it. You see that right there, the level that we draw at that candle. So basically right here, that level right here, we thought that okay, it's gonna be reversal type 2, break, test from above, break and reverse, and we thought that we got a good move right there. We catch the good move right there. But in this case, the market did go back. You see that it did one last retracement all the way to that level to kick out all the people, and then boom, it explosive. Let's look at the trade that we took, and this reversal type 2. Just keep in mind, this is the reversal type 2 we're talking about right here. Basically 3-step right there. So test from above, break and reverse. Alright, here's the trade we take. We engage very early as soon as we saw the setup. So we go long right away. You see that? We go in one contract, we saw the setup right there. Type 2 reversal, test from above, break and reverse. So we go in. Confidently we go in. See that? And boom, we add more contract. You see that? And boom, we have a healthy profit. I think we should take profit right here. because next time we take profit, right? Because right here we thought that, okay, you see that first leg down and second leg down, and then boom, we thought they're gonna reverse. So we know that it's gonna hit the level 48. So we kind of hesitant. But if we took the profit right here and wait for the next move, then we're good shot. But we didn't. But anyway, we cannot blame ourselves. Market do what market does. We have no control. We just try to take advantage of the situation right here. So we learn lesson. Next time to take profit, it should not be shy. Take profits, because you never know. The reason why we didn't take profits because we greedy. We wanted to hit this level, but that logic is not help us, right? Just check the profit right here, and then if we kick it out, then we have a chance to go back. So take profit to preserve the capital is the best strategy, because we can come back anytime, right? The reason we didn't take profits because we say to ourselves that, okay, we want more, but we feel like we may miss the opportunity. But if we take profits, and opportunity can come anytime, right? So that's the mindset that we need to have to take profits. Okay, so that's the lesson we learn anyway. So right here you see that it come back, and right here we should put into break even. Why we take a lot right here? That's a lesson. We don't learn this lesson today if we don't make this mistake. So we should not harm ourselves right there. So the mistake, the failure is part of the process. It helps us to learn, helps us to become a better trader. So that's the growth mindset we need to have right there. But anyway, you see that? We took it out. And at one point, wow, you see that? And when we see a very quick response, we thought to ourselves, okay, now let's go long again, and we put into big contract right there. And this move, this risk taker move pay off. You see that? It really pay off. And we didn't take the profits right here. We feel this scary. You see that right there? We thought that it's gonna be reverse, but it gave us some idea right there. He haven't taken out the high of this one, so basically this one gonna be a retracement. And also it's an idea for short, because you see that test from above, right? But it gives it some indicator that we should stay in the trade. So we stay in the trade, and we got pay off right there. So right here we have to make decision right here. Okay, so right here, up here, we're a little bit nervous right here. You see that it already extends in two move, and we see that it take out the buy side of this guy or the high, and then test from above. So we thought that it's gonna be it's gonna be a retracement, and maybe turn the ratio. So we take profit. You see that? We take profit a little bit early. You see that? We take profits and then move up, and then right here, boom. And that's exactly the look right here at this recording. You see what happened after that. You see that? Boom, boom. You see that? The minute it go down right there, it's just retrace. So that's a good idea. We take profit. Perfect execution right there. So the first trade we make a little bit mistake by not taking profit and not move to break even. But the second trade is a perfect execution, or the market rewards. So you never know. So sometimes you do right, but the market just didn't reward you. So yes, that's the magic right there. So we have to every day. It's just the uncertainty is always there, even though the setup right there, but it will not work always. So it's the uncertainties are always there. It's always there. We have to accept this, and try to let go of the control. Yeah, here's the quote of the day or quote of the week we want to share with you. We just read that this morning. It's so beautiful. It's related to the idea that as a day trader, we face the uncertainty every day. I mean, every time we engage, we trade, we don't know, right? We don't know the markets, the have it own way. So actually, we don't trade the market. We trade what we are. That's some cliche right there. We trade what we are, or we trade what we believe. You have because we have no control. So basically, this quote say here is very resonate with us, and we want to share with you right there. So the most dangerous person in the world is the one who show up every single day. That's what we try to do. We try to show up every day. It's rainy day, snow day. Every day we try to show up. When the reward is uncertain, we don't know. We don't know when the market gonna reward to us. And the one who can tolerate the most uncertainty is the one who eventually wins. Yeah, we have to weather the storm right there. It's like a fisherman, right? You don't know. You don't know what day you're gonna catch the fish and how big the fish you're gonna catch. But you show up to put in the work. The process will take care of itself. So that's the beautiful philosophy behind it right there. Alright, so the second trade we took very beautifully. And let's go back to the chart. So right here, after it slows go down, we're thinking about engage right here, but we make after we make a good ton of profits, nice handsome profit, we kind of hold back. We don't want to give back, so we missed them over here basically right here. And right here, what happened? We chased right here and we paid the price. But anyway, we get back when we see that the retracement is right here. Expansion retracement. You see the retracement right here, the same idea. You see at the level is the weekly level. So basically, you see test from below 1, 2, break and reverse right there. So we go in, we short, we catch this move right there. And at the end, we also catch this move. The logic right here, you see this level is test from above, break and reverse. So we go in and we take a short right there. So let's see the trade that we took. Okay, so right here we make a very beautiful mistake and we learn. We still make this mistake. But we hope that we're gonna get better without make mistakes. Basically, we see that is a huge move. So, and we know that it hit the level 635. It gives us 61, 63, 35, which is the this level, which is a weekly level. If we look at the chart again on, you see that's the weekly level right there. So it's the daily on the left and weekly on the right here. So you can see that the weekly level right there. And today it break that level. So it break the level right there. So we go in right here. So what time is that right there? This one at 12. We chase right here. 14:15, which is 2 p.m. 15 right there. So we change right here, and then we know that, and then it come back is go again as come on. All right, so you see that it go again us, and we get a little bit nervous. So if we are leave it play out, if we hit, it will give us a chance to take profits. But you see that we get a little bit nervous, so we take a loss and get out. But you can see that it will give us a chance to take a small profit, a break even, but we take out because we don't want to give back the gains. You see that? So this trade we will learn 2 lessons. Alright, the first lesson we do it, don't chase when up there, let the retracement play out and you can go in retracement. That's the first lesson we learn. The lesson we learn is that, the second is that if you engage, don't go in big right away because it gets you nervous. Because you have a huge wing, so you don't want to give back. So that's the psychology right there. And that's the emotion driver right there. We don't want to give back, so that's why reason why we lost patience. We don't have patience, and we get more nervous. So we exit early, we take a loss. So that's the 2 lessons. Right, the next trade we take is we take advantage of this short right there. So we take a loss for that, maybe $600-700 or something. Then we go in right here. Okay, so we take a short right there. You see that? We engage very early because we see the setup. You see that? It tests from below, break and reverse. 61, 63, 75 right there. Look at the chart, you can see that right there. That's the low right there. You see test from below, break and reverse. That is the type 2 reversal. So today we see a lot of type 2 reversal. We don't see much type 1 because the type 1 is more reliable than type 2. So just to let you know, because we see lots of type 2 today. You see this type 2 right here, test from below, break and reverse. So that is the setup we see right there. And right here for the long, and then here for short, type 2. Right, test from above, break and reverse. This one, test from below, break and reverse. So today we see 2 times of type 2 setup, one for long and one for short. If we catch this move, we beautifully make a huge profit. We get a little bit trouble right here when it just retrace back, very deep, in order to take it out and then it run without us. So a little bit tricky right here. Other than that, just follow the setup, we're in a good shape. So basically right here we go, we engage right away. As soon as we saw it break the level right there, we know that it's gonna be a retracement right here. So we play on retracement. Whether retracement turn into reversal is just another story. But we know that retracement give us a good move to get some handsome profit right there. You see that? Yeah, I think we take out. I think we take profit right there. Boom. You see that? I think we take profit. We take profit right there. Yes. So we take profit, and then we move to break even. Less one. One contract run, and I think we let it run, and then we see at the level right there, it take out the buy side of sell side, and I think it's come back and take it out. Yes, beautiful. That's okay. Move to break even. We already take handsome profit right there. So this trade is beautiful. Execute. There's no shame, no guilt right here. No regret. Beautiful. Going early and take advantage when it's given a huge profit. If we do this the same way we do it in the first trade, you remember when first trade we didn't take profit. So if we do the same, then we'll be better for us today. So that's the third trade we chase, right? We take the first trade right here, second trade, and third trade. Let's look at the fourth trade that we take right here. Because on this one, there's a thinking right here. So basically, this is a retracement. Are this gonna be make a non-expansion move, or they gonna be a continued retracement down? All right. So that's how right here we saw. Right here we saw the flip right there. So we're thinking ourselves that it may make another down move. You see that we flip. As soon as we saw that, but we kind of hesitant. But as soon as we see flip, we're going. Because you see this level right there. If you mark the level of this instrument rule, you see that it tests from above. So if this guy broke down that level, then it's gonna break that level. At least we target at the low of this candle. So that's our logic when we take this trade number 4 right there. You see that? And we add in, and feel a little bit nervous right there. You see that? It moved. Wow, you see that? A little bit nervous, so we move back to give us a more room, right? Yeah, we move back one more time. We have more room, to breathe. We don't want the stop loss too tight, so we take a little bit risk right there. But boom, you see that? As soon as we see that, we take profit right away. You see that? We take profit. Good handsome profit right away. Same way we do with this one. So yeah, and let's see. I think when it moved down one more, we take we just close up. Yeah, it go a little bit more, but other than that, you see right here, it retrace. So just a beautiful setup. Other way, it retrace. We're gonna get the more back. So that's a beautiful setup trade right there. So far, so good. So let's see what is. I think that's it for today. With 4 beautiful trade right there. I mean, the first trade is not work the way we expect, but we should take the early profits to protect ourselves. What we didn't do. We not sure what to do, or you can say so we have hot hat right there, or stubborn right there. We need to respect, because you never know. We're so sure on the setup, the reason why we say okay right here it's gonna reverse, so just stay in the trade. But it may retrace back, so take early profits and watch for the second opportunity to go in, to go long. So that's the whole idea. All right, I think that's it for today. And just remember the level of the 18 is very one of the key level we watch. And look at the 830, the 930. You see the 930 right here? It gives us some idea right there. You see that expansion move right there? It take out a low of this. So the next thing that it failed to break this expansion move low, which is the sell side, then definitely gonna go up and reach the high or the buy side liquidity. That's it exactly happened. You see that? the 930 yet right there. You see the 930 belly. Before at 915 tested level, and the 930 test from above. This guy also test from above right there, and this break and reverse. Yeah, look at this expansion move right there. So basically the huge gap right here, and it go down, it just refill that gap, and then it reverse. It's so beautiful set right there. Of course, when we review this, we are in hindsight. So, but at least we know what we try to build up our skill, right? You have to back test right here. That's what we do right there. But anyway, we run out of times. We thank you for your time and interest. We're grateful for the opportunity, and day by day, little by little, we are getting better and better. We just enjoy what we're doing, then success is coming our way. Bye for now, and have a great evening, and I see you tomorrow. Bye for now.